Hi guys, and welcome to this budget KabyLake PC build. Now, I was recently contacted by a very good friend asking me to spec up and build an entry-level gaming PC for his daughter's 12th birthday. Now, I know she's going to watch this, so Eva, a very happy birthday to you. Now, the budget we had was around £400 for the main components, and this immediately made me think of my build list from January, the budget KabyLake build. So let's have a look at what we've got. Now, the processor is, as on that list, the KabyLake Pentium G4560. Now, the price to performance on this chip is incredible. The motherboard is the Gigabyte B250M DS3H. This is a micro ATX board, which will take up to an i7-7700 if she wants to upgrade in the future. For the graphics card, we've chosen the Gigabyte GTX 1050Ti. Now, this is the OC edition, WindForce fans, 4GB GDDR5. Brilliant. Now, for the memory, I found an absolute bargain. With the price of an 8GB stick of DDR4 being about £50 to £60 at the very least at the moment, I stumbled upon this. An 8GB stick of ADATA XPG DDR4, and it was less than 40 quid. I mean, I've had cheap RAM in the past which has been cheap and nasty, but this is really good quality. And the shaped heat spreader adds a little character to the build, which is great. Now, to keep within budget, we've stuck to just a hard drive, no SSD. But that's not an issue, as the main use of this PC is going to be for gaming. So we've gone for a 1TB Western Digital Blue hard drive. And 1TB is a nice amount of storage for a lot of games. And it's a 7200 RPM drive. The performance is going to be up to scratch. Now, for the power supply, we've gone for the 430 watt from EVGA. It's a good quality unit. It's also 80 plus certified for power efficiency, which is great. Now, finally, the case. Now, here I wanted to make this look unique, but still keeping within the budget. So we went for this, the Kolink K6T. It's a micro ATX case with a very unusual look to it. Now, you can see me unbox this on my channel. There's going to be a separate video for that. So I'm also going to add some fans from Be Quiet. These are the Pure Wings 2. I've got an 80mm for the exhaust to replace the one that's already there, and I'll be adding in the 120mm into the front. I'll also be adding a few RGB LEDs inside, which will make a great feature of this huge shaped side window. Cable management looks to be a bit of a challenge inside the case, but we'll see. So let's get on with the build. that's all we've got time for on this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to drop us a like if you like this video, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. We've got loads of great content coming up, so make sure you don't miss it, and I will see you later.